Hello, if you want to get a dynamic island on your POCO C75, then you will have to start by opening settings, opening Google Play Store and get this application. Then when you download it, just open, wait for next screen. Now just wait for this opening Apple animation, click next. Click right here on select apps and basically select all apps that will be able to send notifications through this dynamic island. Then go back, do this with the notification access. From this screen, go to the dynamic spot, tap on it, click on the switcher, click on this icon, and then click OK in the right bottom corner. There we go. Then tap Draw on Screen and select No Restrictions. Then do this one more time, click Next. From this screen, we have to go for Downloaded Apps and select Dynamic Spot. Click on this switcher, click here. Now wait for a few seconds. And just click OK. Now click Done. And that's how this the dynamic island actually looks when you receive notification. Take a look. It will pop up right here from your notch camera. You can also change color, size, and some other settings. So have fun by customizing your dynamic island with this application.